Hey y'all. Okay, so in terms of teamwork or collaboration online for some of these different items, some of the best options actually do come through Google. As Oreo reference, blogspot goes through Google, but Google also has some other options such as Google Wave and their own sites. And if you simply go to Google and click on More, and then click on Sites, you have the option to create your own website completely free. I happen to have one here for a grad class that I'm doing, and allows you to edit the whole website, customize the format, control the navigation bars. You can add countdowns, you can upload videos to the website, you can add links to the website. Here you see I've embedded some videos here. I actually embedded Rachel's Holocaust film, which I showed last summer, on the website. So this gives you a variety of options. The only potential issue would be that I'm not sure if we can arrange for more than one person to edit it at a time, because it's linked to this person's, in this case my, private Google account. But nonetheless, that is one option. The other option, as Oriel mentioned, would be Blogspot, and this too is kind of a personal website, but it's basically strictly for blogging. You can embed links, pictures. You can try and embed video, although I've had trouble with it due to the file size and things of that nature. But this would allow others to comment on different ideas and posts and things of that nature, and may allow for some more interactive work between the different teachers. A third option is wikispaces, and a wiki will basically allow multiple people to edit the same page at once. So in this case, this is a class's wiki where they've all kind of gone in and edited the page and added links and added pictures and tried to get a class definition of Marxism and capitalism. You can run discussions through the wiki and different things of that nature. A fourth option, depending on what you want to try and do, is kind of a new one called etherpad, and this is actually a single document that we can all edit at the same time. So for instance, as you see on the side here, each person gets a color code, and they can chat over in this box, and then they edit the document, and as they type, it highlights their color. Meaning if I was blue, if I was David G, these would be the parts that I'm typing. Aaron would be typing these parts, JD would be typing these parts, and you can see it all happen real time. The only difference or kind of downfall of this is it's really only for Word documents, and it does cost. Something reasonable, but it's not free, whereas Wikispaces, Blogspot, and Google Sites are all free. And then the fifth option is Google Wave, and this is something I haven't dealt with a whole lot yet, but this is kind of a combination of everything into one. And if you get a chance, I'd highly recommend everyone goes and takes a look at the videos for Google Wave, and there's some pretty cool stuff that you can do with it here. And this may end up being our better option, but I'll have to research a little bit in the meantime to figure out if this is really applicable to what we are trying to do. So offhand, I would say Google Sites might be our best option, but again, like I said, I'm not sure that I can arrange it so that multiple people can edit the website at once.